shortcuts in Photopea. Here I have this background. Just click and unlock this layer. To create a new layer, at the bottom you can create a new layer. Now let's say I want to create a square here. So this I've created on another layer. Now I want to color this. Here if you see the selection panel, you have these two colors. One is foreground, one is background. That's a common terminology used here. Let's say I want to change this color to maybe blue. And this color I want to change it to, say, a bit of pink. Now to fill the color, let's say you want to fill the foreground color, use the shortcut Alt Delete in Mac, or you want to use, so I've used command, so you have to use Alt Delete, which will fill up the blue color, the first color which you have in your panel. If you want to use the background color, which is pink in this case, you have to use Ctrl plus Delete in Mac. In Windows, you have to put Alt and the backspace delete bar and Control or backspace delete bar. So now I have this blue color here. I'm using this Alt backspace here. Now I want to remove the selection, which is these dotted lines. Press Command D or Control D in Windows. Now if you see, right now I cannot move this layer. I will have to go to Move tool and then I can move this layer. Let's create another layer. Now here I'm using one ellipse select to create a circle. Now I want to fill up my second color, which is pink. So I'm using Control Delete, Control D. Now if you see, I can easily move this object. Had I created this on the second layer, which is first layer, then I would have to move both of them together. Here I have all of them as standalone objects. I have my pink circle, I have my blue rectangle. You can use them independently.